Today we've got something really special for you, the first look of the brand new ShotScope Pro ZR. This has literally just been released at the PGA Golf Show and I have to admit, it looks pretty good. What I really like about this rangefinder is that it's a culmination of the best features from all of the previous ShotScope rangefinders, and in this video I'll give you an early look, give you a full rundown of all its features and specs along with my initial thoughts. The Pro ZR is the latest rangefinder from ShotScope. It's designed to be a game changer on the golf course with its sleek design and premium features. It's positioned to take on the high-end Bushnells without breaking the bank. Don't forget to comment and let me know your initial thoughts. Firstly, we have to talk about the look and styling of this new device. It looks extremely durable and I love the new cover. It's made of a metal body. This is a real contrast from the other cheap plastic alternatives on the market, and I think it shows how ShotScope have stepped up their game with this rangefinder. It's a far more premium look. I can't wait to get my hands on it to see how it feels in real life. We can also see that it comes with adaptive slope technology. There's a really clear on-off switch on the side, and it actually looks pretty stylish too. And what's even better, if you're playing in a competition, your playing partners will be able to see when it's on or off. Now let's talk about its features and how it compares to previous ShotScope releases. You might remember the quick and precise target lock vibration from the Pro L2 rangefinder. Well, the Pro ZR has it too. It also matches the incredible 6x magnification, but the Pro ZR extends the range of this device from 700 yards to a huge 1500 yards. This might be too much, but it shows how much they've improved their device. One thing I really missed in the Pro L2 rangefinder was that they got rid of the red and black dual optics. Well, don't worry, this excellent feature is back in the brand new Pro ZR, meaning you'll get clear visibility in any conditions. This combined with its ultra clear LCD display is great for me living in gloomy England, so whatever the weather, my readings will be crystal clear. What's also great is they've kept the built-in cart magnet, making it easy to attach to your cart. In this model, they've also added rapid fire detection. ShotScope say this promises unrivaled accuracy. It's also got target lock vibration, and you can access their free GPS Maps feature through the ShotScope app. I'm actually pretty impressed with the first look at the Pro ZR. It looks like they're taking the feedback from models like the Pro L2 and the Pro LX and created a rangefinder that incorporates all of their best features, but it's also an upgrade. So this is on sale in February and it's priced at $299.99, but you can pre-order now and I've added a link below. If you want to be the first to know how I get on when I unbox and test it out, be sure to like and subscribe. But until then, I'll catch you in the next one.